All right, today is the day that we are going to do data log. This is my first time data logging, so hopefully it goes well. We'll do the cold start. We'll pull it out, let it get warmed up, and then it starts with an idle, and then a sweep up to, I think it's 2,500 to 5,500 RPM, but I'll double check that just to make sure we're doing it right. And then we'll do a third gear pull. And then hopefully as we come out of that, I'm going to keep it data logging. It'll pick up those misfires so my tuner can see what's going on. So, and by the way, check out Force Engineering. He's my tuner. He just made the record on a Gen 1 Coyote. I think it was 859, 155 miles an hour. I think he's got a single turbo on that. So pretty sweet deal. He's pretty excited. Check him out, Force Engineering. He's got some good stuff on there. All right, off with the cold start. Now, if you listen to this cold start, listen how this engine idles. It idles perfectly. There's no misfires. It doesn't shake. It doesn't do anything. Up. We've already started our data log idle, and this is supposed to go for 2 minutes. No, I didn't put the timer on it. So we'll probably go over 2 minutes just to be sure. We're at 36 seconds since the camera's rolling. So we'll go about 90 seconds. All right, we did our idle log. We are going to drive out of the neighborhood and find a quiet space, just so we don't upset anybody, to do our step log. Sweep. I called it a sweep earlier, but it's a step log, 2,000 to about 5,500 RPM. And then we'll take it out and do the mash for 2,000 RPM to 75 in third gear. So we'll see how that goes. Now you can hear this car run. Misfires, nothing. It runs perfect. This isn't a car that's shaking and running wildly rough. No, no, no. Misfires, like I said, they come on at a deceleration. Sunday afternoon, so it's a perfect day to get out and test. I think we might just go down the road here. Get this done. There's people here, so we're not going to do it here. Alright, we'll go back to where we thought we were going to go. be back in a minute. All right, we found actually another place. It's closer to my house. We're at a church. It's not in session, so yay. I'm not gonna bother nobody. We'll do our sweep log, and then we'll move on to the wide open throttle, 2,000 to 7,500 RPM in third gear. So far, I don't have any lights, any codes. All right, so start log. Tell us. Now we got to turn the advanced track all the way off. I don't have any lights on, but it did break up after 5,000. Now it could be a setting. I know I had my setting before, like at 4,000 on my SCT. So we're going to hold the advanced track off. So that's weird. Okay, traction control off. Now if you hold it longer, advanced track on. Let's see if it does it, because it didn't turn it off. Advanced track off. So if we go to a data log, we gotta hit this one, start log, and boom. So we got to do a third gear. I can't get this on camera, guys, other than the GoPro. I do have the other one going. It's wobbling around. Let's put it maybe on my gauge. Let's see. I'm missing the beat. A lot of traffic out here for a Sunday. see if it'll come back on. Hopefully we got some useful information. So the data log itself didn't show anything. Okay, here we go, guys. Boom. Just stalled. I put the clutch in, it just stalled. We got it on camera. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna turn it off. Nothing. There it goes. There it goes. This is what happened the other night. Check-in engine light now is on. So what happens usually after I turn the car off and start it, then it becomes a permanent light. So that's been the scenario. Alright, we're gonna head back home and we'll wrap this up. Okay, so that could have not played out any more perfectly than it did. We got through all the logs. The step log, there was a little breaking up around 55 or after 5,000, which is not unusual. This car always did that after the tune, but I had it preset on my other SCT tuner to 4,000, and my tuner knew that. He may have put a max limit on this. I don't know. I'm gonna look though. But however, after step log, we did the wide open throttle log. That went perfectly. 2,000 RPM. We mashed it third gear, ran it out, got nothing. It felt fine. It felt good. And then when we backed off the gas, started coasting down, that's when we got our flash. So I started the log again, shifted into fourth gear, tried to make it come on again, and it did. It lit up again, so that's perfect. And then even more perfect, while it's data logging, the engine, as I was turning, shut off, completely shut off. So hopefully there's some information there that is going to tell us what's going on, because of these random shut-offs. They're in motion. It used to be at a low idle where you're just starting a car and you're clutching it. Now it's when you're in motion, the car just shut off. Clutch was in, but there's something funky's going on. Anyways, man, this is exciting because I think we got good information, and this is gonna tell us what the hell's going on with this car. So guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care.